So, okay, now we got all of the things that we need for the puzzle. So, let's remind our process. So, first, we suppose the concept of central limit theorem, which we haven't proved yet, and it's gonna be the next video. But just because the way the proof is the most complicated one in those three, so we put that as for the last video of the journey. But we talked about that we supposed this concept as first. So when the number of sample is large enough, we know that the distribution, the x bar distribution follows normal distribution. And because normal distribution has two parameters, which is the mean and standard deviation. So let's look at this, mean and standard deviation. So we calculated the expectation, which is the mean of the sample mean, and in the last video, the standard deviation of sample mean. So now we got all of the elements for describing the distribution of the sample mean. So now we can talk about the distribution that x bar follows when n is large enough. This is the important condition. Follows normal distribution, which has the mean as mu, which is the population mean, and standard deviation as standard deviation divided by root n, like this. So these are the two parameters, and we know that this is the distribution of sample mean, and a lot of like inferential statistics and hypothesis testing. So this distribution is actually very important from now on. So very happy that we reached it to this level, and we're going to deal with central limit theorem, which is the premise of everything that we've done. So very excited for the next video, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.